Okay, Lambros, I don't really know what's gonna happen, but I just turned the camera on just in case some stupid crap happens. Because he said, hold my beer and watch this. I don't know what he's gonna do, but while I'm waiting on him to do something or not, we're gonna waze it. "59 minutes. Frank, mine says 59 minutes. I just did it more general. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, there you go. Yes! 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 He attracted the Popo. He doesn't see the cop behind him. Oh my God, he's running. He's running from the cop. He just freaking ran from the cop. Okay, buddy. Come on, bro. Come on. That's messed up.
You guys are fucking amazing.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. That was so good. Did you get that?
Oh my God. Oh my God. James.
That was freaking awesome.
He goes, hold my beer and watch this. I was like, dude, he doesn't see that he's behind him. He doesn't see that he's behind him.
Oh. No, I'm just, I don't want my gun to hit that. Yeah.
No, you can get it. Ain't gonna hurt you. Then go ahead. I've had cops do this thing with way more gear than you got on.
All right.
Yeah, but they got radios.
All right. So flip that red thing up. Put your foot on the brake. Mash it down.
All right, now the cop's gonna rev it. I'm gonna get right here and get the cop revving the Lambo. The key's in your hand, bro. The key's in your hand, bro.
Oh yeah. That's right.
I remember my first beer.
You gotta get it. There you go. Get the fire. Woo!
See? There's cool cops out there, homies. They're everywhere. Cool cops are everywhere. This guy's cool. Cedar City came up, did a little prank. Did you see that? I was like, he's running?
I was like, it's not worth it.
What in the world? Not take off in your car or anything, but like just take off physically running around the corner. Like,
That was
oh my God.
I'll trade you keys. The city might not be happy. But
Yeah.
So what'd you do? Go recruit a police officer?
Yeah, I thought that'd be fun. You know, today is Thomas's birthday, so happy birthday, Thomas. That was for you. When you need a little excitement.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
We have the Blue Lives Matter
Why on foot?
Lambo down there, so we got the thin blue line flag on the side.
Oh yeah, I like that one. That's gorgeous.
I try to put it on that side so when you pull me over.
There you go.
Totally.
Oh, thank you. I guess something did happen, guys. James had this thing rigged. We are, I guess, gonna go to Zion National Park now, so I hope you enjoyed those shenanigans. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we will see you in the next video. Later.